Y'all, so we just got through putting this little cat house together from the company VEVOR. So we actually live on about 8 acres of land, and we have a lot of stray cats coming around, and not to mention we have one cat of our own who likes to go outside. And the thought of them being cold just breaks my heart. So I was so excited to get this from the company as a gift in exchange for my honest and unbiased review. It was really easy to put together. It had all the parts that you need. This is our indoor cat, so she's probably not gonna have anything to do with it, but it was really easy to put together. Everything was in the box that you needed. We did just use one of our drills to make it go a little bit faster, but even the roof is like an actual roof. It is so super cute. It does have this door over here that you can unlatch and keep open if you'd like in the summertime, so they can get a nice breeze through there. You could put blankets, you could put food, whatever you need. When they go inside, it does have an extra little perch at the top, so it's almost like a 2-level cat house. It does have a little window, which is just so super cute. It even has a little ramp. So if you have an older cat who has a hard time maybe jumping in there, they could use the ramp. And it even has a little overhang right here above the door, so if it's raining, it kind of keeps it off of, it keeps the rain from going in. It's got the little flaps as well. So we're actually going to put this on our back deck, and it's not even an eyesore, so it's very cute just to put out there. It could easily fit 3 or 4 cats in there easy. And it even has a little window bubble over here, so when they're inside the cat house, you could even see in there or look in there and they can see you. It does have doors on both sides, and both of them do have the overhang. One just doesn't have the ramp like the others. I also love that it has the floor inside, so it's not just the actual like outdoor floor. It's elevated up off the ground, so that's a little bit more comforting. So you can put a little bed in there to make it even extra comfy, but there's a lot of room. So if you're looking for an outdoor cat house, I would definitely recommend this one from VEVOR.